Good morning, Block Topics community. Block Topics himself speaking. Yesterday, I'm sorry for not making a video yesterday, but I was on adventure mode. I jumped down some waterfalls somewhere here in Bali, and obviously wasn't able to do to make a video. But that's what I'm doing now. Another daily BTC chart analysis. Yeah. The good thing is nothing too bad happened yesterday, so it's okay. But yeah, let me show you what I think about the chart at the moment. There are two important levels for Bitcoin. If we break those levels, we either see more upside or more downside. And I'm going to give you the levels in the next 24 hours. So, you know my point of view. We are in a 5-wave move to the downside. We have an A, B, C. This is the C wave of the wave 2. Or this could also be just an ABC move. We will see where we top out. Yeah. So in my opinion, the C wave, it consists of a 5-wave move to the upside, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there are a few possible scenarios. Yeah, either the more bearish scenario first, maybe either A, B, C. We topped out here, and we move in a 5-wave move to this area, 13,200. That's possible. But we need to break, at the moment it's 16,550, 16,570 to, let's say, until tomorrow, 16,650, yeah. So in this area, 16,550 to 16,650, if we break this area, we could see a lot more downside. It's really likely that if we break this channel, we see a lot more downside. But I think it's too early, in my opinion. I think there are two other options that are more likely. They are quite similar, to be honest. So this was the first 5-wave move, this is ABC, and this was the second 5-wave move. And either you count it like this was wave 3, and this was wave 5. I told you about this yellow area before. We just tipped this yellow area. I thought we moved at least to the edge of the channel, but we didn't. We just tipped this yellow area, which is also fine. I mean, it's fine. It reached this area. It reached exactly the Fib level. So then I draw this level, which you guys didn't know. It just happened yesterday. So the chart moves down to this. It tipped it, so it doesn't have to go any further. But I think it might go further, because A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. So I might think in the short term we see more downside. You could long 16,600, but really place a stop loss really close. It's important because you could lose anything with the move to the downside if we topped out here already. Yeah, so this is wave the one opinion. This will be wave 5. Wave 5 could, yeah, it just needs to get higher than this one. Yeah, it just could go somewhere here. This is one theory. The other theory I had was, yeah, this was wave 5. The square actually stays the same because wave 1 is so small. It doesn't make any sense to change this. The lines are the same. Let me show you. I knew it. So basically, yeah, this level 38.2 to 61.8. It's basically the same. It's just like we move, and this is also, it's fine if we stop here and already move to the upside. So all in all, I think I'm still bullish in the short term. I think Bitcoin moves up to the 18.3 to 20.1. This is really likely, but in my opinion, we could just reach 18.3, 18.4, and then move to the downside. So I don't expect 20k anymore. It just does not seem likely to me. We could break this channel, but I don't think we will break this channel. Maybe a small fake breakout and then more downside. So all in all, in the long term, I am still bearish with Bitcoin. Those are the three options I see at the moment for Bitcoin. I don't think there's much to say. Yeah, I've showed you this, the confluence the last time, the confluence of this move, and Bitcoin did the exact opposite thing. So I think Bitcoin might also, I mean, it just pumped, but I think it might also do the exact opposite thing right here. So I'm not sure. MACD tells me, well, MACD tells me it does not have too much room. I mean, it looks bullish, but it does not have too much room. So maybe this is the fifth wave I just told you. It's the fifth wave, not the green one, and then we see more downside to here, and then we see the last move to the upside. So this is also really likely. We will see what happens. RSI also really the upside. You can see everywhere we pumped, where the RSI was pumped here. RSI was down here. RSI was down here. RSI was down here. RSI is up here. So yeah, yeah. So actually that was it for Bitcoin. So we might see another fifth wave and then another downside. You can also short 17. Let me show you. 17,750. Yeah, this is the level I might short. Could also be lower. Could also be 17,500 or something. So we'll see what happens. Really interesting at the moment. Bitcoin really hard to read at the moment. And yeah, that's it for today's video. We see each other tomorrow. Thanks everybody for watching, and yeah, see you guys soon.